the reason that biologics continue to run into roadblocks and the reason that farmers are still skeptical of these products is because of the lack of focus on delivery. And that's what 3Bar is all about, is focusing on that last mile of delivery and how do we get these products in a stable, efficacious format so that farmers are happy and there's an ROI for the entire industry.
Microbial products, historically there's been a lot of roadblocks preventing them from being the best products they can be. And one of those is tied to the viability of the microbes, ensuring that they have a good shelf life and are fully viable when they're used. But also from a manufacturer standpoint, you only have so much shelf life, and logistically it's hard to produce these products with available fermentation capacity. And so really what 3Bar is aiming to do is remove some of these roadblocks with a smarter supply chain, a smarter way of thinking about producing and handling these microbes.
What we mean by that is we can actually pre-fill what we call BioPods, or devices that contain the microbes. Those microbes can then be stored in those BioPods in an environmental condition that is favorable to those microbes. That extends their shelf life and allows for a longer value and many more years of selling that product. As orders come in, those BioPods can then be attached to some delivery mechanism and be delivered in a just-in-time or an on-demand fashion.